Titanium zipper production process. How to produce titanium zipper with different teeth colors. Step 1. Zipper teeth pre-detection. This step is to screen out high-quality zippers, remove the zippers with missing teeth. Step 2. Zipper polishing. After 45-degree angle and surface polishing, zipper need a fiber polishing also, which makes the zipper 100% smooth. Step 3. First layer coating. Let the zipper fully react with the portion in the machine to make the first layer coating of zipper teeth. Step 4. Second layer coating. Same as the previous step, the portion will make the surface of the zipper teeth covered with a second coat. Step 5. Final color plating. In this step, the zipper teeth are finally plated and are made in different colors. Step 6. Zipper lacquering and ironing. After lacquering and ironing, we got the smoother and flatter zipper chains. Step 7. Teeth head lacquering. Lacquering for teeth head to make the zipper smoother when it slides. Strength resistance test. Step 8. Winding and packing.